Hello, welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and I'm here to solve these OAU pre-degree EGL questions with you. But before I continue with this, I want to quickly intimate you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors, located at number 67 Odudua College Road off Sabo Junction in the heart of Ile-Ife. So let's go straight to the business of the day. The question one we have on the board is, the lowest grammatical unit is called what? We have 5 basic grammatical units in English language. Basic. We have sentence as the highest for this basic level. Before we have paragraph, before we have a passage or larger text. The second in that level or rank is called clause. Clause. Then we have the third one, phrase. And we have the fourth one, word. And the fifth one, we have morpheme. Morpheme. So, morpheme is the smallest grammatical unit, which is significant for meaning making. Okay? We have types of morpheme, but morpheme is the smallest grammatical units. Out of these 5, the lowest, the least, or the smallest grammatical units is called morpheme. So the correct answer to this question is option A. The lowest grammatical units is called morpheme. Lexemes is what? That is why we have lexemes and structure. When an examiner asks you to solve question based on lexemes, that means at what level? That is homonym, it can be synonyms, antonyms. That is at the lexical level. While at the structural level, we are talking about sentence interpretation. That is the structure. Okay, so the answer to question 1 is option A. Question 2. My lawyer is very nice. The phrase very nice functions as the dash. My lawyer is very nice. The phrase very nice functions as the dash. Now, before I answer this question, I want to also remind you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors. And Akai Tutors is located at number 67, opposite Odudua College, Ile-Ife. Let's continue. And don't forget, to contact Akai Tutors, you can call 08038644328. That is the management number, direct. Okay, now this expression requires our understanding of sentence analysis. What do we mean by sentence analysis? At sentence analysis level, you understand the basic SPOCA structure. Okay, this is the subject, the verb, the object, the complement, and the adjunct. Now, they say it functions as what? That is the my lawyer is very nice. My lawyer is the subject of the verb is. So this is the verb, otherwise known as the predicator. Then very nice. Who is very nice in this expression? You know that is the subject. Not, there is no object in this sentence. So very nice can be analyzed as a subject complement because it's making anaphoric reference. It's making reference back to the subject. Okay, it's not making a cataphoric reference. It's making anaphoric reference. Anaphoric reference is a reference backward, while cataphoric is a reference forward. Okay, having said that, let's go to the options. We have option A, object complement. I have negated the fact that this sentence does not have object. So that means there is no object complement. Since there is no object, who is very nice here is my lawyer. Okay, So direct object, we don't have objects. So when you have two objects, the first occurring one is called indirect object and the last occurring one is called direct object. We don't have objects. So all this option A to C are incorrect. So option D. Okay, noun object. Do we have noun object? Very nice is an adjective. Nice is an adjective. Very is an adverb pre-modifying the adjective. So in fact, it cannot be an object. So it's not noun object. It's complement adjective. This one is complement adjective. Complement adjective. So the correct answer is subject complement adjective. Thank you for listening. Of course, don't forget this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors and this is OAU pre-degree pass question. Now, should you are interested in our physical classes, you will need to come to Ile-Ife in person where we provide decent accommodation for students who are outside Ile-Ife at a bearable cost. Okay, so you can call the management of Akai Tutors number on the number displayed on your screen. I am Joseph Iyaji. Have a wonderful day.